Philips UVC disinfection desk lamp can disinfect surfaces and objects in minutes. As the exposure to UVC radiation can be harmful for humans and animals, it is important that it is used in the right way. First, place the lamp in the middle of the room on the floor or table and plug it in an electrical socket. The device will be in lock mode and 3 LED indicators will light up one by one. A voice guide will help you with the instructions. Press the power button for at least 3 seconds to unlock the device. The 30-minute LED indicator will light up as default, but you can press the timer button to choose other timer options. For living rooms, we recommend 45 minutes exposure. For a bedroom, 30 minutes. For a washroom, 15 minutes should be enough. Press the power button again for the product to start the routine. Please leave the room and close the door. The device will start to disinfect when the sensor does not detect any movement for 30 seconds. If any movement is detected during the routine, the UVC light will immediately turn off. After the selected time, the device will complete the routine and go back to lock mode. Please unplug the device when the routine is completed. Additionally to this video, please follow all safety guidelines from the product manual before use.
UVC Disinfection Guide. During the pandemic, you will be required to disinfect everything that a patient comes into contact with. When used correctly, UVC can be an effective method of disinfection for frames and tools. When performing a UVC disinfection, you should aim for a log 3 or better reduction in virus particles, which means you have killed at least 99.9% of the viruses. How do you achieve a log 3 reduction? There are 4 things you must consider: the bulb power, the distance between the object and the bulb, duration of exposure, and shadowing. Objects being placed close together or too close to the bulb will increase shadowing, and that can mean that some parts of the item do not receive sufficient exposure. Using multiple light sources from different directions can help reduce this problem. Frames may require rotation to ensure that all parts are suitably exposed to the UVC. With all those factors determined, we can work out how long you should expose objects for. You should aim for a greater than log 3 reduction, which requires an exposure of 6020 joules per meter squared. To reach a log 4 reduction, you will need 10,000 joules per meter squared. This table gives you an indication of how long you need to keep objects under UVC exposure for both scenarios and based on different distances from the bulb. Care needs to be taken to ensure that objects are disinfected suitably. If in any doubt, opt for a longer disinfection time to ensure patient safety, and consider wiping the frames over with a suitable disinfecting product first. Always check with manufacturers regarding material suitability before placing objects into the UVC chamber.